Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the better condition of your health. So dear viewers, warmly welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the pixie short haircut ideas for the fabulous ladies 2023. So dear viewers, get enjoy and get the amazing ideas from this video by my channel Life with Style. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family members. Dear viewers, if you like my video, so keep watching, stay blessed, and I suggest you to watch my video till end because today in this video you can get very catching and very trendy ideas of the Pixie Bob haircut ideas and designs for your face cut. You looking very fabulous and charming. So dear viewers, you can also comment me about my video if you like it. Dear viewers, your comments are very valuable for me. So dear viewers, press the bell icon button also, so you can get very amazing and very updated and upcoming videos about the fashion and about the haircut designs, gorgeous face cut according to your face. So dear viewers, stay blessed, keep watching, and I try my best get very amazing ideas for you always. So thanks for watching and share it and subscribe my channel also.